Yeah, I know I'm from the East, but nah, I'm not a banger. You better watch out for this West Coast swanger. West Coast, homie, yeah, I know I'm from the East, but nah, I'm not a banger. You better watch out for this West Coast swanger.
Here, the Money Motivator, aka that Crypto Leo King, and here is an updated video on mining or investing into mining, and we'll go ahead and do an update on my Chain.Groups account. So first, let's go ahead and go over to Chain.Groups. If you guys haven't already got started, I will. Well, that link is in chat. No, inbox me for the link. If you're watching this from YouTube, comment below. No, as a matter of fact, if you're watching this from YouTube, the link to get started is going to be in the description. If you're watching this from our Facebook group, just message me so I can give you the link to get started. Now, again, Chain.Groups is pretty much an escrow service. All right, they're an escrow service, but they also trade for you guys. So if you do not, this is for people that want to be in that I quadrant. Okay, you want to take your money and invest it, and you do not want to. Pretty much, you don't want to do no work. All right, you don't want to do no work, but you want to have the money make you money. All right, so you're going to pay for a company or someone to trade, and they're going to pay you daily interest back on the money that you lend them to trade. And these are the figures that you're looking at between these groups. Xbox is they've been doing on average around 2% a day. Today they're doing about 2.89% on your daily return, which is pretty good. All right, so you want to make sure that and their minimum is $250. All right, so $250 to $5 million is the amount that you can invest into the company. All right, I really like Xbox, but again, the minimum that you can do is $250. If you want to start with something smaller, I recommend Dragon Foundation or BitStrong. Okay, Dragon Foundation is averaging around 2.25 a day. All right, and then BitStrong is averaging around 2, a little on the low side. Okay, but I say between the top 3 would be Xbox, Dragon Foundation, and BitStrong. Now, Dragon Foundation is pretty much they're almost to what they were trying to raise. All right, so they are actually going to stop taking investments sometime in December. All right, they're going to stop taking investments, and they will be paying you daily interest for 180 days, as you see right here. All right, Xbox are going to be paying you daily interest for 90 days on your investment, and they're going to pay you between 0.2% to 5%. All right, again, 0.2% to 5%, but they're averaging over $2 a day, as you can see from the charts. But they do drop sometimes. Right here, it drops down to about 1.9%, which is still good. All right, so Dragon Foundation is between 0.1% to 6%. I've never seen anything over 3%, but they've been doing a phenomenal job. You see this one big drop on November 13th. I forgot what happened that day, but they've been averaging a little over 2%. And then BitStrong is between 0.1% to 5%. They've been averaging around 2% as well. But BitStrong will let you start with $5 minimum, and Dragon Foundation will let you start with $10 minimum. Now, this is the profits from this. Okay, you guys are going to be getting change depending on how much you start with. You're going to be getting change to dollars. All right, and how you're going to really make great money on this is compounding your interest. This is a slow, steady build. You're going to compound your interest. Okay, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So let me log into my account. Oh, duh. That's not my email address. All right, so today it looks like I'm up $64. So what I'm going to reinvest? I'll reinvest about I'll probably do $30. I'll reinvest $30 into Dragon and into Total Invest. But let me show you my history, okay? So I haven't reinvested into Xbox. I started off. I invested 500 into Xbox. Hold on. Okay, I invested 500 into Xbox on the 1st well, what day was that? That was the December 2nd, okay? And these were my daily returns, okay? $11 here on the second. Well, I started on the first, excuse me. Started on the first, and on the second, $11.65. Then on the let me see, the second, December 2nd, and then on the third, $11.95. On the fourth, $14.95. And as I told you, it fluctuates, so you see it went up. And then on the fifth, $14.60. Okay, so how much ever that was I had in my account, I went on and invested into Dragon Foundation and BitStrong. Okay, I forgot how much I started off with. I can pull that up, but let me see, how much was that? Transfer, withdrawal, deposit. Okay, so Dragon Foundation, I started off with $40. So I took profits out of my investment in Xbox. I think 3 days that I got on my returns, I invested $40 into Dragon Foundation to get started, and then whatever was left over, which was $8.44, I put into BitStrong because I told you that their minimum was $5. Okay, so then I took profits and I reinvested into Dragon Foundation, as you see on the 6th. I put $20 into that, and then another $10. That was actually an accident, but I put $10 into Dragon Foundation, which was supposed to go to BitStrong. And then out of profits from that, as you see, another day later, I went and invested. Stop it. I put $18 into December 7th. Or excuse me, December 7th, I put $18.25 into BitStrong. All right, and then as you see on the 8th, I reinvested $20 into Dragon Foundation, and then I put another $20 into BitStrong. Okay, so let's look at the returns on that. And this is what? Within 2 weeks, you guys. This is within 2 weeks. So remember, it's going to be a slow build, okay? But you'll get to 6 figures between 9 to 12 months if you are getting referrals into this as well. If you're not doing referrals and you're just putting your money into it and compounding your interest, I say you'll definitely make between 5 to 6 figures in 12 months, 12 to 19 months. Okay, so as you see from here, I invested into, what is that, Dragon Foundation and BitStrong. So 90 cents, 17 cents, and then the next day, all these 3 deposits were those 3. So $14.40, 91 cents, 18 cents. Then the next day, $14.20, 93 cents, 18 cents. And then I reinvested, so there was an additional 46 cents and an additional 23 cents. All right, and this is increasing my daily interest. Okay, so every day I'm making more money because I'm compounding my interest. I'm reinvesting my profits. I'm not taking anything out. This is where most people go wrong. They start spending their profit money. Okay, they start taking out their profit money and spending it, and that's where you'll really be taking an L. So you want to reinvest all your profits. All right, and that's my recommendation. Okay, this is not financial advisement. Okay, on the 8th, you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 deposits. All right, because I reinvested into BitStrong and Dragon Foundation. Okay, so 10, 10, 84, 17, 42, 21, 38. All right, on the 9th, 11.75, 88, 17, 44, 22, 37, 44, 40, because I reinvested, okay? So then we have on the 10th, 13.80, 93, 17 cents, 46 cents, 23 cents, 37 cents, 47 cents, 46 cents, 41 cents. And then on the 11th, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 deposits. Well, that's how much I'm getting in on investments. That's 6 deposits. And then here today we are at $64.62 since my last deposit or reinvestment. My last reinvestment was the 8th. Last reinvestment was the 8th, and then today is the 11th. So that's how much gains I got in 8, 9, 10, 11, 3 days. 3 days worth of gains, $64.62. So we're going to go ahead and make 2 more reinvestments because Xbox minimum is 200 and what was it, 250? $250 minimum. So I only can do Dragon Foundation and BitStrong. Now you guys can also look at the other ones that are here. I'm just not using them. And as I don't know if I told you this earlier, but Chain Trade Group also has their own, as they are, escrow service. All right, so we'll go to my account. All right, and we're going to make 2 more reinvestments. So Dragon Foundation, you see I have 4 investments. We're going to go ahead and make a $30 reinvestment. Dragon Foundation, we're going to okay, let's go to trade groups, and then we're going to go to Dragon Foundation, invest Dragon Foundation, and I'm going to do $30. Invest into Dragon Foundation, and so now you see here $30 for 180 days. They're going to pay me a daily interest for the whole 180 days. All right, and that's going to start tomorrow. I will start getting daily interest, and as you see, that was deducted from my available balance. Now we're going to go to trade groups. And then we're going to go down to BitStrong, and I'm going to invest into BitStrong. I'm going to do $30 here as well. Or should I invest all of it? Yeah, we'll just do $30. Okay, so $30. And we'll do the whole thing. $34.62. No, we'll just do 30. Let's just do 30. And the reason I'm doing this is because what I'm going to start doing, you guys, because I really want to help you guys as well, I'm going to start rounding and just reinvest my whole numbers, and anything that's outside my whole numbers, I'm going to rack up and I'll do a giveaway. All right, so I'll do a giveaway. So those of you that actually want to get started, and for whatever reason you feel that you don't have it, because I do harp on you will find the money for things that you really want to get involved with. So, but I'm still going to do a giveaway. So I'll start putting money to the side out of my profits, and then just do a giveaway so you guys can get started as well. So that's what I'll do. So we're just going to do 30, and we'll just keep that 462 off to the side. So we'll invest. All right, so I'll start getting daily interest every day for the next 100 days on those $30. So you guys are going to continue to see that grow as well. And we're 12 minutes in. Let's go ahead and talk about, we'll go over to the mining. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log out. And this is the other company, USI Tech. All right, so we'll go ahead and log into USI Tech. This is one account. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the packages. All right, we'll go to place order. Okay, so this is currently what the price is. It's going to be roughly around $60 just for one package. Okay, now what this company does, they take the money that you invest and they mine. Okay, they have, you can search on Google. Okay, they have their own mining warehouse where they mine Bitcoin. All right, if you go through my course, my free course, you will understand what mining is. All right, you'll understand what mining is and how that creates. It's going to create more cryptocurrencies depending on whatever they're mining. All right, but this is just straight Bitcoin. All right, now they do have their own currency, cryptocurrency. All right, and you can purchase their tokens. All right, you can purchase their tokens, and you can look at the information on their tokens right here. All right, and the word that's going on is that they're going to be on CoinMarketCap coming up soon. All right, and hit exchanges as well. So what they do is they pay you back Bitcoin daily for 140 days. And I believe those are business days. Let me see. Okay, Monday through Friday. So Monday through Friday working days. So Monday through Friday, they'll pay you back daily interest in Bitcoin. That is powerful. That's what the great thing is about this company. Okay, they're only giving you about 1%, and as I just showed you over at Chain.groups, they were giving you around 2% a day. It fluctuates, but some of it was actually over 2% pretty much for the most part daily. All right, now here you're only going to get around 1% daily, and that fluctuates. Some days it's going to be less than 1%, but they're paying you in Bitcoin. Now that's powerful because Bitcoin is going to continue to rise. So whether they're giving you 0.0001 Bitcoin, it's still going to have value, and that value is going to grow. So it could still work out to being you making more in this than you are in the other investment platforms as well. But like I said, that fluctuates. All right, that fluctuates on a day-to-day basis, being that Bitcoin goes up and down in value. But this is one company that I highly recommend. I feel that they're great, but it is going to be a slow build. Here you want to compound your interest as well. So what I mean by that is when you make when you purchase your packages here, your mining packages, you want to reinvest your profits. All right, they actually have a calculator and everything for you here. If you can, I recommend you buying them. You're starting with 20 packages. It's going to be roughly around $1,200 USD. All right, around $1,200 for about 20 packages. If you can't come in that high, start off where you can. They're going to be around $60 a package. So you can go ahead and highlight this here. Take it over. You can Google it and just put in that amount of BTC in USD. All right, and okay, so it's a little over right now. It's about $62.85. So like I said, about. All right, and they're going to pay you around 1% a day. All right, so you'll go to purchase, and then you can purchase from whatever your wallet is. You're using Coinbase. What you're going to do is you're going to put in how many packages you want. All right, and it'll tell you how much the package is. All right, so let's say you wanted to do 5 packages. It tells you how much that is valued at. What the subtotal is, and then of course there's going to be a mining fee that they're going to charge you as well. All right, so 3% mining fee, and then there's going to be an exchange fee for you to send it from your coin payments account over to USI Tech. So that's going to be about 0.01958 Bitcoin, which comes out to about $345. It says the price of your package may change until you click the purchase confirmation. It'll lock it in for 15 minutes. And why is that? That's because Bitcoin is on the market, so it's going up and down in value. That's going to fluctuate. Remember that. Now, you can actually buy packages for somebody else in the company. You'll just need their username. I believe their username. But you'll click on buy for a partner. You have partner ID. All right, you can search them and put their name in. All right, and then of course click that you have read and accepted the terms. But if you're paying it for yourself, you can go ahead and click this and then purchase. You can purchase using Payza, or you can just purchase and send the money over to send the Bitcoin over from your wallet to here. Now Payza is great because you don't have to buy it in Bitcoin. If you don't have it in Bitcoin and you want to buy it, you can still do that with Payza. Okay, so you have the calculator. BTC calculator. All right, so this is how you can come and look what kind of profits that you'll be able to make in what time frames. All right, this is about the average. You can select what the average of return capital is per working day. Like I told you guys, it fluctuates. So 1% is the highest, and then you can come down and let's say if you wanted to do 0.80%. Rebuy, that's if you want them to automatically rebuy for you when you have the available amount of Bitcoin in your out of your profits. All right, so if you wanted to start with 100 packages, this is the kind of numbers that you'll be looking at. Now, if you wanted them to automatically rebuy, you can select if you want them to rebuy 25% of your profits, 50% of your profits, 75% of your profits, or all of your profits. All right. If you have some other source of income, what I highly recommend is use that other source of income to pay for whatever it is that you need to pay for in life, and let this money maker make money for you on the side. So do not touch any of this money. reinvest all of it. That's what I recommend. All right, let it reinvest 100% of it. Okay, because you're getting paid out in Bitcoin, and the value is going to continue to go up. Don't touch it. But if you wanted to use any of it or whatever, then I would say 75%. Go ahead and let 25% of it come to you, and the other 75% go right back into buying more packages. All right. So if you were to reinvest 100%, you go ahead and click redisplay, and then these are the numbers that you'll be looking at for 100, starting off with 100 packages. All right, so you guys can actually play with the calculator and see what kind of numbers you'll be looking at. A lot of people are not going to be able to start off with 100 packages. I understand that. Like I said, if you can, at least start off with 20 packages. That's going to be around $1,200 USD, roughly. But that changes and fluctuates as well. But just try not to do the bare minimum. If you have to do the bare minimum, okay, it's a start. So, you know, I definitely give you credit there, because it takes a lot to actually decide to not just want different and want better and want change, but to actually take action and do it. So if you, if and when you are ready and you want to start off with one package, you can check and see what that looks like as well. It's going to be a very slow build for you. I'm being completely honest with you. It's going to be a slow build, but the power in this is you're going to be getting paid in Bitcoin, and you're going to get back more than what you invested. And Bitcoin is the value is going to continue to go up. So as long as you have Bitcoin, you're winning. As long as you have Bitcoin, you're winning. All right. So if you guys want to get started with this, the link to get started is going to be in the description. This is for mining. Okay, so you can either, and this is for everybody that wants to be an investor. You want to invest into something and let that make money for you while you do whatever it is that you're doing in life. Whether you have your own business, you have a primary business, you have a 9-to-5, whatever. All right, you take your money, you invest it into it. You have professionals that go out, make you money, and pay you daily interest on you investing into their company. So here you'll be buying mining packages, where basically you're paying for the company to mine Bitcoin for you. That's what's going on here. At Chain.groups, you're investing into trading companies that is going to trade cryptocurrencies with the money that you provided them, and they're going to pay you back daily interest. So out of all of these, your money is making you money. You're going to get back more than what you put in. All right, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment. If this is on Facebook, go ahead and inbox me, and I'll get back to you at my earliest convenience. Go ahead and follow me on all of my Facebook channels. And if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're not watching this on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, yieldprosperity.com/YT. And go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and hit that bell. Hold on, the bell's over. Yeah, the bell's over here. Hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I will catch you guys on the next update.
Swat.